Hey stars, welcome back to our channel. How are you doing? I do hope that your evening is as smiley and as bubbly as ours because we are so happy. This is the biggest unboxing we have ever done. Yes, my husband spent nearly 700,000 naira for our shopping, because we are preparing for baby Mercy Chukwu's dedication, and also back to school items, and then some of my prenatal clothes, not my maternity clothes, my postpartum outfit, because I haven't managed. So we spent over 600,000 naira, let's say 650,000 naira, shopping all these from Nigeria, and they just came. Oh my gosh. So you see, we have been preparing for baby Mercy Chukwu dedication and Thanksgiving, baptism and dedication. We wanted to do it this July end, we wanted to do the baptism on the 30th, and then do the dedication on the 31st, but unfortunately, the priests at our church, all the priests, they have all gone on vacation to the US. So they have all gone on vacation to different countries. Like our own priest, our own parish priest has gone on vacation to the USA, and there are no other priests available to conduct the baptism for the children. So without baptism, we can't do the dedication, and without dedication, there must be baptism. So we are going to do it in September. We have postponed everything till September. My goodness, we have postponed this baptism for such a long time. And I told my husband, let's go and do this thing in June. Oh. He said, let's wait July. By July, our parish priest had already traveled. Yeah, so just enjoy our evening with us. Let's hang out this evening and watch us as we unbox a whole 650,000 naira worth of back to school and child education items. Over here we have our clothes, our shoes, lunch boxes, lunch bags, everything. We will have some kitchen appliances over here. So yeah. So stay tuned, do not go anywhere, stay subscribed. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay? Because I am going to vlog. I'll try as much as possible to vlog baby Mercy Chukwu's child dedication. I'll also try as much as possible to vlog our baptism. Yes, even though the baptism is early morning, something like 7 a.m., 8ish, something like that, but I'm gonna try as much as possible to vlog that. So yeah, thank you so much for always coming and watching our vlogs. We truly appreciate it. And my goodness, you guys, one of our vlogs just hit 100,000 views. 100,000 views on YouTube. Hey. So I guess this is like triple celebration, something. The celebrating baby Mercy Chukwu child dedication that we're gonna do, and then her baptism, and then the visibility that our videos have been getting. Oh my goodness, you guys are literally the best. Like, you all are amazing. Like, honestly, we are nothing without you, literally. Yeah, thank you all so much for everything. I truly do appreciate. Yeah, look at this small star. This little star that you have been showing this much love. I'm so grateful. I'm so appreciative. You all know that I am the most grateful human being on earth. Like, even if it's small, I am very appreciative. I'm very, very grateful. Yeah, thank you all so much. And please, okay, if you haven't, please do well to subscribe to join our amazing family, and give the video a thumbs up. Let me know where you're watching from so that I'll give you a shout out in my next video. And my shout out for today's video is Somto Starr. I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong. This lady, you have been the most amazing member of my community. Honestly, Somto Starr, you have been like the best community member. I see your comments, your share. Like, you have literally been carrying this channel on your head with me. Like, you've treated this place like it's your family. And girl, I truly do appreciate you. Honestly, I appreciate appreciate you. I appreciate your support. It means the world to me and my kids. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you for always coming in. Thank you for always showing love. We truly appreciate you. Big hugs for my babies and a big hug from me to you. Alright, loves, please do well to let me know where you're watching this video from, so that I'll give you a very big shout out in my next one. And until we see you again, I will speak to you again. Please enjoy our vlogs, enjoy our videos, and please stay tuned. Take care of yourself. Literally, mamas, take care of yourself, okay? And I'll see you all. We'll see you all in our next one, okay? Bye, loves.